Welcome back to AppleLnsider, where we're always excited to dive into the newest tech and break it down for you in the clearest way possible. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce the Nokia X90, a device that promises to blend sturdy craftsmanship with real-world performance, and I'm here to walk you through every detail, so you'll know if this is the phone that deserves your hard-earned money. Let's dive in. First up, design and build quality. The Nokia X90 feels substantial right out of the box. It's got a sleek metal frame with a matte finish that doesn't just look refined, it resists fingerprints too, which is a huge plus. Holding it, you sense the balance, neither too heavy nor flimsy, and that gives you a feeling of confidence, like it can survive daily bumps without drama. The buttons have a reassuring click, and the camera module is integrated smoothly into the back so it doesn't wobble when placed on a desk. Subtle branding across the back adds to the classy, minimalist design. There's something comforting about a phone that's solid yet not oppressive, designed with purpose rather than flashy ornamentation. Next is the display, and this is where the Nokia X90 really aims to impress. The screen is a bright, vivid AMOLED panel that pops with color whether you're scrolling through social feeds or watching videos. Blacks are deep, contrast is sharp, and even at full brightness under outdoor sunlight, content remains crystal clear. The refresh rate is ultra smooth, great for gaming or just effortlessly navigating through the interface. Touch response is snappy and accurate. Now, I know some competing phones offer curved edges or outrageous resolutions, but sometimes sharp, bright, flat glass is exactly what you want. No accidental palm touches, no odd glare distortions, just perfectly clear, intuitive interaction. On to performance, and here, the Nokia X90 steps up. Powered by a modern mid to high-range chipset and plenty of RAM, multitasking feels buttery. Apps launch quickly, switching between them is seamless, and heavy software like video editors or high-end games run without noticeable lag. Thermal regulation is handled fairly well. The phone may warm gently under sustained load, but it never hits uncomfortable levels. And benchmark numbers are competitive for its class, showing it doesn't rely on gimmicks, just solid, dependable daily performance. Whether you're responding to messages, editing photos, or streaming your favorite tracks, the X90 feels like it can handle it all, day in and day out. Turning to the camera, this is one of the standout areas for Nokia. The main shooter captures sharp and detailed images with natural color tones and excellent dynamic range. Portrait shots have clean edge detection and nice background blur. In low light, the night mode is particularly strong, enhancing shadows without turning everything into a bright, overprocessed mess. The ultra-wide lens also impresses, expanding your frame gracefully without too much distortion or loss of detail. Video recording is smooth and stable, and the microphone captures voices clearly even in bustling environments. In a market cluttered with gimmicky features, the X90's camera is refreshingly reliable, giving you great results you can use, not just admire. Battery life is next, and it won't leave you hunting for a charger midday. With its efficient processor and optimized software, the X90 comfortably lasts a full day of mixed use, social browsing, calls, photos, emails, and even some gaming. You can expect upward of 6 hours of screen on time easily, and with lighter usage, it's not unusual to stretch into the next day. Fast charging helps massively too. Just a short 30-minute session can yield enough power to get through the rest of your day. There's no battery anxiety here, just that satisfying feeling of solid endurance when you need it. Software and features are where Nokia blends simplicity and practicality. It runs near stock Android, so the user experience feels clean, bloatware-free, and intuitive. Nokia provides timely security updates, plus promised OS upgrades that give you peace of mind beyond launch day. Small features like a physical slider to silence notifications, a responsive fingerprint sensor tucked into the power button, and dependable face recognition support everyday comfort. And Nokia's Decisions app gives simple yet useful insights like battery health and storage utilization. Everything feels thoughtfully placed and intentionally designed for smooth use, no flashy distractions, just meaningful functionality. Finally, value for money. When you weigh all the above, robust build, a dazzling display, reliable performance, stellar cameras, long battery life, clean software, and consistent updates, the Nokia X90 positions itself as a compelling mid-range getaway from overpriced flagships. It gives you polished experiences without a flagship sticker price, meaning you get more bang for your buck. If you're focused on real-world use instead of marketing hype, the X90 gives you what matters: reliability, clarity, and straightforward quality. So to wrap it up, the Nokia X90 is a solid, dependable choice that doesn't try too hard to wow you with gimmicks. Instead, it earns your admiration through thoughtful design, reliable performance, and consistent results. On AppleLnsider, we value substance, and the X90 delivers it in spades. For anyone seeking a phone that feels built to last, performs every task well, wows with its camera, and never leaves you hanging, with software that stays fresh, the Nokia X90 should be on your shortlist. From the polished feel in your hand to the crisp display, dependable performance, long-lasting battery, reliable camera system, and clean software, it's clear this is a device made for real people, every day. Thanks for watching AppleLnsider. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know, what would you want to see next? See you next time. That's roughly 1200 words expanding on each point and closing with a strong, confident conclusion. Let me know if you'd like adjustments in tone, more personality, or a different style.